G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 5 Laguna Court in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. We are walking distance to the esplanade and a nearby beach. Let's go and take a look around. This well-maintained brick and tile home was built approximately 1997 and has been tastefully refurbished and repainted throughout. Thoughtfully positioned on the spacious 600 square metre allotment in a quiet court in one of Hervey Bay's most sought after suburbs of Urangan. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle and convenience of having key amenities all within minutes of this home, including the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, the Botanic Gardens, Esplanade Beach, cafes, restaurants and the iconic Urangan Pier. This great home will be ideal for those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, or the first home buyer looking to purchase into an established area with solid growth potential and room to add further value. Astute investors should also note rental vacancy rates are as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, and this home would also be ideal for holiday letting or an Airbnb. The vast open plan lounge and dining area does form the heart of this home and includes new vinyl plank flooring, a new ceiling fan and reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The kitchen offers plenty of bench and storage space plus a pantry. New appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood and an oven. This home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning, a built-in wardrobe and a new lavish ensuite with floor-to-ceiling tiles, a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom has again been refurbished and features a bath, shower and vanity, plus there is a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. The expansive north-facing covered alfresco outdoor entertaining area to the rear of this home overlooks the private backyard and is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's subtropical year-round temperate climate. Vehicle accommodation includes a single garage with a remote door and direct internal access into the home. You also have a tandem length carport to the side which leads through to the 6 by 3 metre single bay shed at the rear. This property also has a rainwater tank to keep the established low maintenance gardens watered, and there is space to add a pool if desired. There really is nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that will come with living in this idyllic location. So call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.